Hello, and thanks for stopping on this video. I'm Harry, I'm a NetSuite developer here at Bournemouth Digital. I wanted to take some time out of my day to talk to you about some interesting things I've been playing with in NetSuite. You've probably already spotted something interesting on this page, but we'll come back to that in a few moments. To start with, I'm just going to show you some portlets that I've put together this morning. This first one is a very pretty and interesting fluid simulation we've got going on. We've got our company's shared Spotify playlist as well in a portlet on the side here. And down below there's some interesting data visualization stuff going on. In a more realistic scenario, this might be some charts or bar graphs or something of that sort that's driven by real system data. Now these are all very visually interesting, but I can hear you asking, so what? What's the point? How can this help our daily operations? And you're quite right, these are just a bit of fun. But what I'm trying to demonstrate here is that using the Suite Cloud Development Platform, most things you would expect to be possible in regular web development can actually be achieved in NetSuite. With, of course, the right developers. So let's take a look at something that's a bit more functional. Here I've got a project record. It's just a dummy project record that I've set up, and immediately you can see that I've actually injected a G sheet into the record itself. Alongside this, there's a custom field that I've added here. We've called it total project costs, and this is just an imaginary number that you might want to have populated with some relevant project data. You'll also see that there is indeed a total project cost in the G sheet. Now this G sheet is running a script which detects a change in this field and sends a packet off to a RESTlet that I've written. It's quite a simple RESTlet. We just look for a total project cost, TPC, that I've acronymed, and a project ID. And when this RESTlet receives that package of data, it'll go into the system and update the relevant project's total project costs. So let's see this in action. If I throw an extra 50 onto this field, up to 900, and refresh the project record, we can now see that total project cost has gone up to 900 and reflected what's in the G sheet. So hopefully that's a quick but powerful demonstration of third-party integrations actually inside the NetSuite platform itself. The way I envision this type of integration, as I've shown you, is budgets and planning documents directly editable inside the project record, but even payment platforms put straight into customer records. So you can imagine being able to hit a PayPal button and either charging or refunding a customer there and then without having to navigate through the, as we all know, cumbersome menus. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this short demo, and if you want to get in touch or have any development requirements, you can contact us here on LinkedIn or via the website, and I'll include all of those links and sources on this post. Thank you very much.